Hi, I am Dinesh Kumar. Welcome to Training Share Market. Okay, hi everyone. I am talking about share market. How can trade? What is the trading? What is the trading in basic things? Okay, I am giving some people an opportunity in this business. Basically, I am from Hassan. My profession auto driver, and I'm farmer also. I like hard work, but recently I'm changing the field in. I'm more training in a national stock exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. What is the trading? What is the demat account? What is in online work? What is online trading? I'm talking about some details today. Okay, I'm Dinesh Kumar. I'm staying in Bangalore in Gandhinagar. So many persons is calling me. Please teach me English or Hindi. I don't understand Kannada. Is more than people is staying in Bangalore or in India is well educated persons, but he's more. Some people is not using the stock market. How can manage? I don't know. Some people is telling very loss, very loss the share market. First, you can think uh, that person is told only loss. His reason is one of the fault. What is the fault is not find out. Only you think his share market is loss. No. First you can take good training, then you have go to the inside the market. Okay, is good. Okay, I am telling first you will invest only 100 rupees the share market. Only 100 rupees you will invest. Almost broker is open your demat account in free account is available the market in situation. Okay, first more than 5 years 10 years back is not possible to free demat account is open today, and now is open all brokers in lowest cost. Okay, okay, I am telling please take good training and good uh, knowledge in share market, then you can open the demat account. And okay, what is the demat account? You have using the saving account, right? At the same time is same thing is one of the trading account or demat account you want in are you a trader? Okay, uh, you can purchase the any shares. You can open your demat and trading account plus saving account. Is three account is uh, requirement in trading. Okay, okay, saving account is only deposit or withdrawal. Deposit or withdrawal is name of the saving account. Okay, then trading account means you can transfer the money to trade. Is convert saving to trading. Your money or income, your trading to saving, saving to trading, trading to saving. Okay, trading, saving. Okay, understand. Then what is demat account? Demat account is you can when you have purchased the shares in storage in your demat account. Demat account is only storing the shares only. Yes. Saving account means you can storage your money, right? And same thing, you will storage your shares in demat account, calling demat account. Okay, right. Okay, then you will purchase the shares is storage in your demat account. When you have sell the shares, is automatically transferred to money in your trading account. Then you will transfer to online transaction in demat trading to saving. You will take your money, right? Okay, first you will confuse the three type bank, then you will use the situation is are you understand? Okay, are you interested in share market? Please comment me, and you can share my video, share my link, and you will call and comment. Please, I will request you, please take good training. I am giving lifetime training, totally some small amount, means you cannot I think only is Indians is very growth, means possible to move that situation. I think only I am not concentrate the training fees. I am concentrate only my India, means I am concentrate only population is very good knowledge, receive the knowledge. Okay, just you can share your friends this link, and you comment me, or you can call me anytime, or anytime you can come to the WhatsApp. I will explain more details in that business. Okay, thank you.